I'll take the elevators here at Desert Club Resort. Keep going down. Otis maximum capacity elevator here at the Desert Club Resort in Las Vegas, Nevada. This elevator mainly just takes you down to the gift shop here called the Marketplace. Okay, now we're going to go back up aboard. Don't forget, this elevator only does to the gift shop only. Then it takes you back to the elevator. Thank you for taking another elevator tour with Tri-Statist on YouTube. Have a nice day. This elevator was at the Desert Club Resort in Las Vegas, Nevada. Thank you.